Quinoa is a 5,000-year-old superfood that is actually not a grain but a seed and is most closely related to spinach and beets. Grown in black, white, red, and yellow varieties, each has slightly different flavor notes. You can cook quinoa in the Instant Pot or on the stovetop. To cook quinoa in the Instant Pot, use 1 part quinoa to 1 1/4 parts liquid. Then you'll hit pressure cook for 1 minute. Then allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Slough with a fork, and you're ready to serve. To cook quinoa on the stovetop, use 1 part quinoa to 2 parts liquid. Cover, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat and simmer 15 minutes. Then remove the pot from the heat and let it sit, covered, 10 minutes longer. For a quick, nutritious weeknight meal, try quinoa, kale, and sausage bowl. Stuff a pepper or acorn squash. Try my lentil burgers, quinoa pancakes, or quinoa with a kick, and let these recipes help you incorporate the amazing benefits of quinoa in your family meals.